Hey there. How's it doing? I've been climbing. Yeah, I was on top of that volcano over there. Well, not that volcano. The volcano's way over there. That little mountain right there. And look, here's a big dinosaur. Big dinosaur, bad. He try to bite me. I bite back. Harder, stronger. I'm thirsty. They were tasty. Hey there. Like my skin. Hold up, bro. I'm gonna try to bite this thing if his tail gets up. No. It's like a worm. I'll bite it. You can't hit me. Hey, bro, you can't hit me and I can't hit you, so you're lucky, but take this with you. Take it. Loser. Ugly. Yeah, man, go back to your laying nest. Ugly creature. Ugly. Back up, bud. Trying to hit me again, bud. Yeah, man, back up, bud. Back up. I'll bite you, bud. Don't test me. Don't test me. This thing was trying to get me, and I did nothing wrong to it. There's history. Like, now he's over there crying, leaving the poor soul alone. In which I could go up there and just fucking bully him, but I need to do parkour first, in which I'll do that. Just gotta turn around. That's what it's all about, boy. See, look, I can climb. Big Bird climbing. He learns the master of climber / jumper. I'm jumper, or actually hopper. Boy. See, look, bro, I'm hopper, or thumper. Yeah, I'm thumper from Lilo and Stitch. I'm from Lilo and Stitch. Look, bro. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make this jump. Whoa! I didn't make it. Oh, well, I didn't make it, but still. Yeah. Well, there's 3 steps. 1, jump. 2, you wait for your second jump. 3, you climb. Just like me. Just like me. See, look, that's how you climb. This is how you climb. And I'll even... I can't get up. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Went back down. Just a minute though, boy. So look, I mastered the skills of climber. Like no ordinary creature. Not even a Bordeaux can't catch me down. See, look, I learned the master of climbing. I am the freaking god of climbing, dog. Hop bang. Look at me, like I'm flying. I'm a freaking eagle. Eagle searching for prey. And I can't even jump no more. It's alright. I am the mighty bird. And I can do whatever I dang want. See, look, bro. Look, I'm back at this spot. Back at my watchtower spot. Very shaky. I'm gonna try to bite them, bro. I didn't make it. Here, hold up, I need a rest. Whoa, I'm not so shaky. Oh, I'm cold and shivery. Ouch. Get weak. I can't move. So, bros. Back up. Turn around. Back up. Prepare for the jump. So that's how you get up. You just jump, and you back up, jump, back up. And trees are the most difficult things. Besides that tree, though. Trees are difficult. Not even a boil, like I said. Big Bird can't catch me. Nothing can. Fake it, man. I keep falling. Oh, bro, I give up on that one. Okay, bud. Yeah, bro. You just do this. Like, bro, I got the mountain mad. Why am I so shaky? Ooh. Oh, I'm very shaky. Ooh, it's shivering outside. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I literally just made this video so I can like show you that this big bird can climb without climbing. Like I climbed one of those mountain ridges ones. Well, the smaller ones, not the tall one. Should I try kill this big beast? Should I? Nah, I shouldn't. I'm gonna try one more attempt. Oh, come on. I made it! I made it! Alright, after 2 years, I made it. Big bird is back on the rock. I mean, tree. I'm shaky. Ooh. I'm wondering, can I bite him from him without really falling? Okay, little girl. Excuse me. Hey there. I'm watching you. Oh, what? Okay. I'm trying to get. I almost have Tankaroth. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Candle time. Candle. Come on, Candle. Big six, man. Keep getting these little birds. Like, I got them like twice already. Like, look. Where are they? Yes, yeah, 3. I forgot to sell you. Hey, you want a box? Back up, boy. Back up, I said. Back up, boy. Back up. Back up, boy. Back up, buddy. Back up, buddy. Told you to stay back up, buddy. You just never listen, huh? Back up, buddy. Back up. Back up, buddy. Back up, I said. Back up. Back up, but you never listen. Back up. Back up, boy. Back up, monkey. Yeah, I'm the real monkey here. I am Kong, the mighty 3-headed bird. I mean 4-headed bird. The powerless without me. I am the mighty bird, and I'm literally floating on nothing. My 2 legs are carrying me. You trying to attack me? I attack back harder and stronger. Weak, pathetic creature. I hate you. Oh, good. Yeah, get here. Scram. It's my territory. Scram, buddy. See, that's how you get away from these damn creatures. Finally eat grass in peace. This video has been going on for at least 3 minutes now. I mean, actually 8 minutes. 8 minutes and 22 seconds. That's how you deflect these birds. I mean, those Godzilla creatures. And which they're not even strong for real. Like this. Tasty. What am I supposed to do again? You know, look, man, you started, man. You tried to hit me like twice already. Twice he did. Try. And like I say, he tried. Oh, he's come back. Good boys, you know what to do. Climb. Climb again. Got back at my mountain ridge. I don't want to speak because you're ugly and annoying. Get out of here, son. Yeah, scram. Get out of here. Yeah, get out of here. It's my territory now. See, look, I've been so annoying that this guy decided to walk away. That's when you know I am the king. Well, I'm gonna put an end to this video now. Hold up, wait a minute. Very scary. Ooh, spooky. Ooh, whatever. Ooh, scary eyes. Spooky.